Hi fam, it's Bermudan here and I'm fully doxxed right now, and today I'm gonna teach you guys on how to use your burner wallet address as your minting wallet address. Okay, so first we're gonna go to Alphabet website, and here on the upper right, we're gonna find our profile here. For some reason, my PF here is not loading anyway, so we just have to click it, and then we're gonna go to the signed wallets. And here in the signed wallets, this wallet address is my wallet address where my OCB token is in it. Anyway, and then we don't have anything to do with this. Instead, we're gonna move on to the Mint wallets. And here, you might wanna have to click the add button and then make sure it's in Ethereum, okay? And then you have to paste your burner wallet address here. Then after that, you might wanna click the confirm button. Okay. Then after that, you're gonna head to the Ethereum category here and then click the down arrow key. Then it's gonna expand and you're supposed to see two wallet addresses here. Okay. One is your wallet address with OCB in it and your burner wallet address, the second one. And then for the burner wallet address, you might just wanna have to click the star logo or icon in here, and that's it. It's all set up as your minting wallet. Okay, so you're not gonna use your wallet address with OCB token in it to mint, projects like, yeah, you know what I mean. All right. Anyway, we're gonna move to the pre-mint now because that's it. It's already fixed. The alphabet. Okay, it's for whitelist opportunities. All right, and here we're gonna go to the pre-mint profile. This is my profile in here. So at first, here's the only wallet address I have in here. My wallet address, my OCB token registered, I mean, is in there. Anyway, so what I did here was I clicked the connect new wallet and then I selected MetaMask. Then I connected the burner wallet address that I want to use. Okay. Then after that, when you successfully imported your wallet address in here, which is, for example, this one given, I mean, well, this is really my burner, my minting wallet address. So after you successfully imported it here, you just want to have to click the three dots and then click the set as minting wallet, and that's it. You should be good to go. Okay. So for example, I looked for a pre-mint raffle in here. So here, okay. Well, I'm not gonna participate on this one. I don't know the project. I haven't done my research with this one. Anyway, so just an example here. Which wallet you wanna register with? So you can choose either your burner or the wallet address with OCB token in it, which I advise not to. Okay, even in Alphabet or any. All right, on Haymint or I don't know any other platforms. Okay, so you just want to yeah, you might just want to use the burner wallet address for minting. Okay, and that's it. I hope this video helps, and let's fucking go. Yar.